Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for the yarn. Let's crochet this creepy spider web. Pull the yarn around your fingers like this, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called magic ring. Insert your hook into magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. We should make 16 single crochet into our magic ring. Just tie the yarn and close our magic ring. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through. This is called slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through, chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. We should make in this row 1 double crochet and chain 1 in each stitch. And in the end of each row, we should make a slip stitch like this. In this row, chain 6, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And chain 3, again, make a treble crochet like this in this stitch, and chain 3. In each row, we should make a slip stitch into chain 3. Row 4, chain 8, 1 treble crochet into next stitch, and after this, chain 5, and follow this pattern for this row, like this. Don't forget to like this video. And we have something like this, and chain 10 and 1 treble crochet into this stitch and chain 7, again 1 treble crochet, chain 7. Follow this pattern for this row. Row 6, chain 3, and we should make in each hole 7 double crochet like this. And after this, 1 double crochet into these stitches like this. Again in hole 7 double crochet, and in this row we should chain 1, make 4 single crochet into next 4 stitches, and chain 4, and insert your hook in here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and 3 single crochet into next 3 stitches. And you should skip this chain, and 4 single crochet in next 4 stitches like this, and chain 4, and insert your hook here and make a single crochet, and again chain 3 and skip 1 chain and start from next chain like this, and chain 1, tie the yarn, cut it and tie it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.